Welcome everybody to another episode of Person Behind the Persona, and today we are going to be talking about Ashish Chanchalani getting into Bollywood. Oh my god, an Indian YouTuber getting into Bollywood. We talk about NFT, a lot of fucking NFT detail, how NFT is going to fucking change the art game in just the world in general. Stay tuned because it's gonna be fucking wild.
So, recently we both, I think you've seen the video where Ashish Chanchalani does a collaboration with Rajkumar Rao, right? What is the movie? Basically the cast
Ruhi.
is Ruhi is the movie, right? So the cast is, I think, Rajkumar Rao, Janvi Kapoor, and where's this third guy whose name I don't know fully, Varun.
Yeah.
Which is
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
interesting because
Yeah.
I don't know the person's full name. That brings to question, like, if a YouTuber becomes like some sort of an actor in the Bollywood industry,
Yeah.
will people really remember that person's name or not? What do you think?
Yeah, that's what मैं तो ये सोचता हूँ कि कितना पॉसिबिलिटी है फॉर अ यूट्यूबर
हाँ.
टू रियली गो मेन स्ट्रीम एज अ बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटी.
That's a question which we
मतलब-
will deal with. तुझे
Yeah.
ये कैसा लगता है कि now Bollywood is going to YouTubers and it's been a while now.
हाँ.
The top YouTubers have done such collaborations on the regular with celebrities in general, right? Some of them have worked in films. Like for example, I think Harsh Beniwal worked in Students of the Year 2.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
Bhuvan had his own movie. I think it was an independent movie.
It was a short movie.
It was a
short film थी
It
ना?
was a short film,
Uh,
not released in the
with-
theaters.
Oh. Yeah. It was like he played a Punjabi army guy.
Right.
Yeah.
And what else? What other collaborations are very famous? Shah Rukh Khan had a collaboration with Bhuvan Bam, which was
भाई, that was like T2 Talks का first episode with Shah Rukh Khan.
that was great.
Bro.
I mean, they have like some of the YouTubers have had collaborations. Like if you talk about YouTube, where it all started. Obviously, AIB comes into the picture, and they had that podcast, that amazing podcast with Shah Rukh Khan, which like I was completely blown away by. But
I
then,
still rewatch
but then
that.
again, like AIB is not just one single person, right? It's a unit. It's a unit of so many people.
That was a media company.
So I was thinking, ki, given this kind of a scenario, Bollywood clearly understands that to be able to appeal to the youth, you need to go where the youth is, right?
Yeah.
And where is the youth currently? Most of the youth currently is watching the content Ashish Chanchalani or Harsh Beniwal or who else? Give some other names now. Bhuvan Bam or
The youth is a lot more, क्या कहते हैं, जो पहले जिसको अटेंशन नहीं मिलता था अब उसको अटेंशन मिल रहा है. आई फील लाइक ये यूट्यूब टिकटॉक को अटेंशन मिला, you know. Netflix has gotten major attention and so has indie movies gotten major attention, right? We as a youth is now more, क्या कहते हैं, अच्छा कंटेंट कह सकता हूँ क्या मैं? आई गेस समवॉट लाइक सम क्वालिटी कंटेंट को अब अटेंशन मिलने लगा है इन मेनी सेंस.
आई थिंक हम अगर इवन जज भी ना करें कि क्वालिटी कंटेंट को अटेंशन मिल रहा है कि नहीं, लेट्स लुक एट वेयर अटेंशन इज गोइंग. ओके, पहले बिफोर द एंटायर जियो इफेक्ट एंड इंटरनेट बीइंग एक्सेसिबल टू अ ह्यूज मास ऑफ पीपल इन द कंट्री, ऐसा सिनेरियो था कि बॉलीवुड द वे दे यूज्ड टू प्रमोट देयर वीडियोज वाज थ्रू the conventional media, right? They used to have
तारक मेहता उल्टा चश्मा के उसमें आ गए,
right?
ऐसे सीरियल्स में आ जाते थे एक एपिसोड के लिए, महा एपिसोड.
When the internet boom, the internet boom in this country happened, which really happened after Jio, I think what the industry realized possibly is that okay, now we know where the youth is. Okay, पहले उनको पता नहीं था how to approach the youth. Now we know where the youth is. Pehle the youth was in concert.
Definitely.
The youth was in
बिल्कुल.
And most of the people used to watch serials, right? And like the soap opera and serials and Ekta Kapoor and all that jazz. Okay. But now they can see that shift. कि अच्छा यहाँ पे youth है. Because see, look at the views. Look at the number of people watching. Look at the retention. Look at the and then the live stream scenario happened. And अरे भाई 1 लाख के ऊपर लोग देख रहे हैं एक बंदे को. Doing whatever he's doing, whether it's gaming, whether it's something else. This is where the attention is. This we can leverage. And that is
How
why
long before you think a lot more celebrities come start using these tools like live streaming more effectively?
celebrities using live streams effectively.
Oh, it's happening, bhai. Snoop Dogg streams on the reg. Snoop Dogg, that fucking massive rapper with a huge label. Like, he doesn't even rap anymore. He has this label now and he streams very often. Drake has done that. So many more like hip hop wale jo maine dekha hai jo start using this. I know even Alia Bhatt started a YouTube channel.
Yeah,
I don't remember exactly
and
what's happening
this
with
one also has a podcast, right? The Mango Man. Varun Dhawan has a podcast named The Mango Man where he brought in Bhuvan Bam. There is a podcast.
Really?
Yes, Varun Dhawan has a podcast.
Varun Dhawan.
Varun Dhawan, the
What?
Varun Dhawan has a podcast called
Wow.
the Mango Man or something in those lines. And उसमें the first guest was Bhuvan Bam. You see,
भाई
like,
भुवन ने तो गांड फाड़ दी है
of course,
यार.
man, भुवन ने तो बहुत पूरा गेम ही चेंज कर दिया था उस टाइम पे. I still remember, like हम लोग कॉलेज में देखते थे and we were like, he's hilarious.
Yeah.
Like,
I
and
think
but
he's still the
he
hi-
still
I
is.
think
He's still hilarious. But let's not dive into the discussion of how somebody's content then again was great and now it is not as great.
No.
We've had that
I
discussion.
what I was going to say that I think he's still the highest paid YouTuber.
Probably.
अभी तक.
Probably.
It's either him, आशीष चंचलानी में से कोई एक. I think अजय को अभी leverage मिला है, so I would not count him.
I would.
Ashish
I think it would. I would still say it is one between Ashish Chanchalani and Bhuvan Bam when it comes to like
Yeah.
the people who are closest to, or Harsh Beniwal for that matter. I also think that Harsh Beniwal has a significant amount of leverage when it comes to this. I don't know. There's something about him.
पर like 10 million पीछे है ना अभी तो.
यार मैं honestly बताऊं,
I think he's
मुझे
close
उतना फर्क नहीं
second.
पड़ता कि मुझे उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि उसका leverage how many views he's getting. The guy's content is good.
definitely.
Is really good.
हाँ ये तो मैंने नोटिस कर लिया. पता है ये पिछले कुछ समय से मैंने ये रियलाइज किया है कि भाई इट डजंट मैटर व्हाट योर चैनल साइज इज.
Right. After
yeah.
I think after 1 million occurs, it doesn't really matter. If you're getting pulling a 1 million views per video, if you're pulling 1 million per video, then you really have a very significant amount of attention of people. Consistently 1 million pull करना is very difficult.
1 million नहीं 1 million कम बोल दिया तूने. I think after 10 million it doesn't matter.
Views.
Subscribers.
No, I'm talking about
like
views.
when you're
I'm talking about views, regardless of whatever the subscriber count you have. I think if you are managing to pull off 1 million views in a video, regardless of your size.
West में. I think you're referring to that Casey Neistat interview that we H3 wala, where he talked about the similar thing that once you're at 1 million views, you start pulling like 6-digit number की sponsored deals तुम आ जाते हो. 6-digit numbers तुम्हें मिलते हैं. Like, you know, $100,000.
And that's also very likely, right? Because if you look at 1 million views, 1 million views is what 10 lakh people यार. 10 lakh लोग बहुत होते हैं यार. 10 lakh लोग बहुत होते हैं. And the simple idea is यही है ना कि it's not important that it's a 10 lakh. It is a conversion.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
तुम 10 लाख तुम 1 lakh का 1% अगर देखोगे 1 lakh का 1% is what 1,000, right?
Yeah.
But 10 lakh का 1% is how much? 10,000.
Yeah.
समझ रहे 1,000 और 10,000 में कितना ज़्यादा फर्क है?
Yeah.
You can do a lot of things with just 10,000 people backing you up.
Yeah. And many brands don't even look at it like in that sense of कि खरीद कितना रहे. It's also more about reach. You know what I mean?
Right.
So like if I as a YouTuber have promoted a brand, right, XYZ, now you associate that brand with me, and next time you're in a mall, ठीक है, and there is a label-less brand and then a brand that I promoted.
Right.
So tu obviously you're gonna go for that, na? There is definitely gonna be a slight incline. It's
a very interesting thing you said. I have a question for you in that scenario. ठीक है? देख. Imagine कर कि that because brand promotions is not the first thing which YouTubers have done. Okay. It's not something which YouTubers have first started. It was done by celebrities a long time ago, right? That's their major source of their revenue chunk, right? Advertisements. YouTube, whether it be celebrities in Bollywood, whether it be celebrities in sports, they all do that, right? You must have seen those videos where there's this discussion of which brands does Mahendra Singh Dhoni have? Which brands does Virat Kohli have under his belt? And that basically gives you a net worth of that person, right? I would ask you this question. Ki, you've gone out to buy, let's say, some commodity, okay? And you being you, 20-year-old you, okay, who has been around the internet for, I don't know, significant amount of your day goes in the internet, right? Being online, right? And you also watch movies. Right? So I'm not taking the case of Shah Rukh Khan, but if there is a commodity which is being advertised by a celebrity, a Bollywood celebrity, or a sports guy, or a YouTuber. Sports guy is different, depends on the brand, but like, or a YouTuber, which one would you go for?
यार देख, I know where you're going with it,
Right.
and I completely agree. ठीक है? But more than that, it's also about the shift of the way there has been a massive shift in the way people promote.
Right.
So पहले it was very like, hey guys, buy this podcast, podcast बोल रहा हूँ, buy this shampoo, buy this, you know.
ओके, तो जानबूझ के बोला क्या कि please, hey guys, please buy this podcast.
buy this, please guys, buy podcast. चलो नहीं, like Shah Rukh Khan has like Head and Shoulders, buy Head and Shoulder. It was very that. I've seen this shift towards, especially with YouTubers, because we deal a lot with being based in reality.
Right.
है ना, हमारा बहुत रियलिटी में बेस्ड कंटेंट रहता है. दिस इज नॉट मेरे पीछे कोई प्रोडक्शन टीम नहीं है. देयर आरंट 7 पीपल हियर, देयर जस्ट मी. सो द प्रमोशन जिस तरीके से हम करते हैं, इट्स आल्सो वेरी ऑथेंटिक टू अस.
यस.
तो जब मैं अगर बोलता हूँ कि गाइस बाय दिस, क्या कहते हैं, ये वाली टैबलेट्स, ये मुझे सोने में मदद करती हैं, तो तुम लोग बोलोगे हाँ यार मुझे भी सोने में मदद होता है. समझ रहे हैं मेरी बात? मेरे को भी सोने
वो फैक्टर भी आ जाता है ना कि यू कैन नॉट do the promotion for the sake of the promotion. So for example, Shah Rukh Khan can any brand can come in and Shah Rukh Khan can probably do an advertisement on that. A YouTuber cannot do the same, because if for example he genuinely doesn't use it, the audience first of all catches that, and you get a lot of backlash because of it. That doesn't happen in the case of advertisement. I don't think it does as much. Okay. But then again, I think that also doesn't. There also there is a factor where वो नहीं होता in the case of celebrities, because they have a lot more what do you call it, leverage. उतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता.
Not only that, you need to realize कि ये जो प्रमोशन, ब्रांड प्रमोशन टाइप शिट आई है, ये फिर भी रिसेंट है. समझ रहा है? ये तू, क्योंकि अरे यार तू देखना, हमारे परदादा नहीं, हमारे दादा और हमारे पापा, ये वाली ऑडियंस को टारगेट किया गया है थ्रू दिस टेलीविजन ब्रांड एडवर्टाइजमेंट. इंडिया में टेलीविजन कब आया है? और टेलीविजन में एक्चुअल प्राइवेटली ओन्ड चैनल्स विद एक्चुअल एड्स कब आए हैं? एंड समझ रहा है ना मैं क्या कहने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ? क्रोनोलॉजी समझिए. लाइक इट्स वेरी रिसेंट दैट brands have decided to associate with actors and celebrities.
Right.
So and in the start it was very, क्या कहते हैं, हाँ बहुत गलीबल ऑडियंस होने की कि हाँ भाई इसके साथ एसोसिएट कर लिया, खरीद लो. That worked. But now because someone like me who was born in this era of being advertised to constantly, I am immune to it. अब तो मुझे पता है कि हाँ तू पैसे ले रहा है भाई, तो तुम, so they have to make it very smart, the advertisers, and I think that's where authenticity with YouTubers really help them. And I want to see कि ये जो upcoming I guess 10 साल हैं for the mainstream television, mainstream money makers, ये जो ads, मतलब क्या कहते हैं, actors को पैसे मिलते हैं, ये किस तरीके से change होगा. Because there's gonna be a shift, there has to be a shift. You can't use Head and Shoulders, इसको अब इस्तेमाल कर. अगर Head and Shoulder मेरे को स्पॉन्सर करता है तो मैं डेफिनेटली बोलने के लिए रेडी हूँ, पर Head and Shoulder इसको इस्तेमाल करिए और आपको डैंड्रफ नहीं होगी. Like how do I know कि तुझे भूसड़ी के, तूने तो दिखाया भी नहीं कि तेरे को डैंड्रफ है कि नहीं. You know what I mean?
Right. And that is actually the answer to my question. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि if you as a youth went out to buy a commodity and you see an ad by a very famous celebrity, and you see the same for the other commodity, for the competing commodity, you see some sort of a sponsorship brand promotion of a YouTuber, basically an internet guy, then you would go for the internet guy more, because I feel YouTubers are more reachable. They are more reachable to the audience than the celebrities.
That's where parasocial relationship helps us.
Right, exactly. It's like some sort of
it has दोस्त जैसा समझते हैं.
Foundation has something to do with parasocial relationship. You build a sort of a, I don't know, connection with that person, because because they are very human, right? YouTubers,
there is a connection. देयर इज अ कनेक्शन. ये जो आई एग्री विद संजय भी, ठीक है, कि वो पैरा सोशल रिलेशनशिप के बारे में जैसे उसने बात की थी कि नहीं यार फैमिली नहीं होते हैं, पैसा हमारे पास जा रहा है एंड एवरीथिंग. देयर इज डेफिनेटली टू दैट, यस, बट there is also definitely a connection that I personally feel with my audience, or you will feel with your audience. You have a whole Discord where you sit day in and day out talking to the people who watch your videos.
The people in my Discord are gonna comment, really he sits day in and day out. हमने तो नहीं देखा भाई, हमने तो नहीं देखा, बहुत दिक्कत है हमको. हमारे क्या बोलते हैं उसको,
me too I've been there. मैं भी नहीं बैठता हूँ मेरे Discord server पे, but you know what I mean, right?
I do understand what you mean, and you're right. But so where do you think it's gonna go? क्यों? Because अगर हम देखें ऐसे भी कि about the promotion of things, यार you've seen ना foreign में YouTubers, how do they promote some brands? Like they usually go in the lines of thank you this person, this company for sponsoring this video. We don't have that. Why do you think we don't have that? And since you have actually been approached by brands, have you ever tried to have that conversation? This is how I'm gonna promote. Thank you for sponsoring this particular video, and they don't agree with it. They don't agree.
It's a very the amount of money I have rejected just because they didn't agree with the whole. यार, it's देख मैं तेरे को समझाता हूँ. 2 टाइप के स्पॉन्सर्स रहते हैं. अगर तुम एक यूट्यूबर है, तुमको आएगा एक जो नॉर्मल अपन लोग हैशटैग ऐड डाल के करते हैं. दूसरा रहता है जो लोग दे विल स्टार्ट लुकिंग फॉर इंटीग्रेशन, राइट? एंड द इंटीग्रेशन लाइन गेट्स थिनर एंड थिनर एंड थिनर. अब जैसे हम लोग ट्रेडिशनली अगर तू कोई शाहरुख खान की मूवी भी देखेगा ना, तो वहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं पे टाइड रख दिया गया होगा. मार कपड़े धो ये टाइड ले आए. देयर इज एक हैरी पॉटर इंडियन वर्जन था जहाँ पे बहुत सारे पार्लेजी थे. आई थिंक कनन गिल मेड अ वीडियो इन द पास्ट अबाउट इट, द मोस्ट पार्लेजी एवर ऑफ हिज प्रिटेंशन रिव्यूज करके जो सीरीज थी उसकी. सो that was the traditional क्या कहते हैं वे टू डू इट इन बॉलीवुड, ठीक है? वहाँ पे रख देते थे. इट यूज टू बिल्ड मोर क्या कहते हैं, आई गेस इनके पास भी होता होगा, हमारे पास भी होना चाहिए, समथिंग लाइक दैट बुलशिट.
या फिर हमारे पास भी है और इनके पास भी है, and you connect with that also. Like I remember कि पता नहीं कौन सी अमिताभ बच्चन की कौन सी मूवी थी where he was having calcium sandals, okay, and I was like अरे मैं भी calcium sandals खाता हूँ, ये भी खाता है. अमिताभ बच्चन और मैं सेम मेडिसिन खाते हैं, क्या बात है? सही है.
Yeah, that happens. So and it, I guess maybe try to bring it here as well, in some sense. And there are good brands, there are bad brands. Some are like no, we don't want you to mention it at all actually. We want you to just bring it casually. I got an app का मुझे आया था मैसेज, तो वो बोलते हैं कि आप बात करते रहिए और आप फाइनेंशियल के बारे में बात कीजिए, ठीक है? और आप फाइनेंस पे ब्रिंग करके बोल दो कि ये देखिए मैं ये वाली ऐप यूज़ करता हूँ ऐसे, और हम आपको they offered big money. Like I still want that money. Sometimes I feel like ले लेना चाहिए था.
But यार. You and what about the constraints they put in? ठीक है, you are mentioning a particular app, for example a productivity app, right?
Yeah.
But what if you mention alternatives as well? कि this app and this app as well. They are like no, only mention this app.
नहीं कर सकते. Yeah, बिल्कुल. आप हैशटैग ऐड नहीं डाल सकते. वो तो अब तो रिसेंटली यूट्यूब ने वो गाइडलाइन इंट्रोड्यूस की है कि you have to tick the fucking includes paid promotion, नहीं तो बुंड फाड़ देंगे. पता है तुझे ये अब? And then I started seeing these people who were, so this app that I got offered was 18 plus, ठीक है? It was like finance related app and it was 18 plus. You need to be 18, and there were fucking young kids who weren't even 18.
You're talking about Grow, right?
Grow का तो promotion किया है मैंने.
Grow is actually a very good app. And
yeah, I use it. I personally use it.
And if people in Grow are actually listening to this podcast, guys, really, I use Grow on the regular, and I mean I use Grow on the regular for my investments and also to manage my mother's investments. So guys,
me too. मैंने भी अभी इसने मेरे को बोला था एक डाटा में एक पैक में इन्वेस्ट करने, मैंने Grow से ही किया है. तो
so yes. Grow, please, if you're watching this, please come in touch with us. Please come in touch with us and let's do something together. Please, let's do something together. We're not going to mention in detail about what Grow is about, because we'll keep that for the sponsored podcast if you have that.
Yeah, please. But so and then I started seeing there were kids who weren't even 18 promoting this app, saying कि I use this, and मैं देख के मैं इतना हंसा हूँ ना, मैं बोला चूतिया अकाउंट बनाने के लिए एडल्ट होना पड़ता है. बट दिस इज द करंट कंडीशन ऑफ क्या कहते हैं
Sponsors.
YouTube. Yeah, sponsors in YouTube. पर
अच्छा,
it's changing.
It is changing.
Thanks to a lot.
That's my
Yeah.
question. How is it changing? Leverage में कितना फर्क आया? Do you think?
हमको नहीं है, छोटे यूट्यूबर्स का नहीं है लेवरेज. Until unless तू बुंड फाड़ व्यूज ला रहा है तो तेरे को लेवरेज है. जैसे हमारी रिया गोगोई मैडम ला रही हैं, ठीक है.
But Ria gets 100k views, right? 100k is bunt according to you?
100k नहीं जाते उसके. ऑलमोस्ट हर वीडियो until unless extremely bad ones get more than subscribers in the first 2-3 days. So that's bundefard views, yes, definitely. And her growth has been insane, plus she's a girl. But फिर उसमें क्या आता है ना, मैं तुझे बताता हूँ. अब आती है एक्सप्लॉयटेशन का पॉइंट. मतलब सीन ऐसा हो जाता है कि a lot of like मैं क्रिएटर हूँ, मेरा काम है क्रिएट करना. मुझे नहीं पता बहन मेरी क्या वैल्यू है मार्केट में. That's where people come in and they exploit the shit out of you and then they use your name to exploit the shit out of others. This is a very smart tactic that the companies do as well. Suppose मैं मैं 1 लाख रुपए चार्ज करता हूँ एक वीडियो का, ठीक है. मैं पापा होकर 1 लाख रुपए चार्ज करता हूँ, मेरे को आ रहे 40,000 व्यूज़ या 30,000 व्यूज़. ग्रेट, ठीक है. अब वो मेरे को बोलते हैं और मेरे को पैसे की ज़रूरत है, ठीक है. तो बोलते एक काम कर, 80,000 में कर ले. बोलता 80,000 चल यार ठीक है, क्या है 20,000 चल ठीक है, अभी मेरे को ज़रूरत है, कर लेता हूँ मैं. कर लिया.
Then why don't you negotiate in some other form? Like for example, ठीक है 80,000 में कर लो. What I would have done is, ठीक है, I'll do it in 80,000. But what are you doing for the 20,000 less? How are you gonna compensate me for that? Because my worth is 1. So I'm happy to take 80. But what are you gonna do for the difference?
We'll get to that. हाँ. बहुत अच्छा point bring up किया. So they will now use my name to get to maybe a smaller one and they'll be like, देख ओकर्स तो 80 में कर रहा है हमारे साथ, तो एक काम कर, तू नॉर्मली कितना लेता है 40, हाँ हमारे लिए 20 में कर दे. यार ओकर्स कर रहा है, मेरे को भी कर लेना चाहिए. FOMO sets in very quickly in especially in the YouTube space
because everybody wants to quickly make money on the investment, right?
We fucking the time limit, the lifetime of a YouTuber is low as it is. पर जो तूने पॉइंट ब्रिंगअप किया ना, तुझे ये भी तो रियलाइज करना पड़ेगा, बच्चे हैं यार. बच्चे कितने हैं तू देख. तू अपन ने कम से कम 40 एपिसोड कर लिए हैं. कितने लड़के लोग आए जो तेरे से बड़े थे, कितने लड़के लोग को पता था कि इन्वेस्ट कैसे करना है. नहीं पता रहता यार लॉन्डो को कि पैसे सेव कैसे करने हैं. मैंने खाली अभी तक सिर्फ सूर्या को मिला हूँ जो स्टार्टिंग से लेके एंड तक अड़ा रहा है.
बट दैट इज व्हाई वी आर हियर, राइट? दैट इज लाइक द एंटायर आइडिया बिहाइंड आवर पॉडकास्ट की लोगों को एटलीस्ट पता तो चले कि ऐसा है. डोंट बी अपने ख्याली पुला में बस बैठे मत रहो, थोड़ा जानो कि दुनिया कैसे काम कर रही है
यार. तो तू ये भी तो देखना राव कि तू अल्टीमेटली तो उनकी कॉल है.
हाँ,
बच्चे हैं तो हम बोल तो सकते हैं नो यू आर वर्थ मोर एंड डोंट गेट एक्सप्लॉइटेड, बट व्हेन द फकिंग मनी कम्स इन,
बट दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सेइंग कि देन व्हेन द फकिंग मनी कम्स इन, ट्रू, यू आर राइट. But since वो बच्चे हैं, that is it's a good part also. They are very impressionable. They are impressionable by what other people do. Like for example, Ocus does a sponsorship. अच्छा, Ocus is doing, so I should also do. ठीक है. It's a very childish notion, right? इसने ऐसा किया तो मैं भी ऐसा करूँगा. ठीक है. But they are impressionable to sense कि अच्छा इस podcast में लोगों ने इसके बारे में बात किया है. Wait, they might be right. They might be right what they are saying. So that is where our responsibility comes in, to be at least be able to inform people कि अच्छा बेटा देखो ऐसा है. थोड़ा.
Definitely.
And then they take their call, right?
हम लोग ultimately all we can do in as a society or as anything, just spread awareness about XYZ.
Right, that's it.
So no, you're right.
That's the most we can do actually, Ocus. पता है? It's a great thing. The least and the most we can do. Because उसके ऊपर हम कुछ कर नहीं सकते. क्या कर सकता है तू?
तू ड्रग एडिक्ट को बोल देगा कि भाई ड्रग्स गलत है, अल्टीमेटली क्विट करना तो उसका कॉल है. क्विट करना है नहीं करना है, यू कैन जस्ट टेल देम. सो या गाइस, डोंट गेट एक्सप्लॉइटेड बाय द कंपनीज. आई थिंक एज अ यूट्यूबर्स वी नीड टू हैव सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ यूनियन. लाइक ऑटो वालास हैव देयर यूनियन, राइट? यही 20 रुपए में मीटर रहेगा, मतलब 20 रुपए मीटर रहेगा, नहीं तो हम हड़ताल पे जा रहे हैं.
डिफिकल्ट है ना,
समझ रहे हो?
तन्मय भट्ट ने इसके बारे में एक बार बोला था कि इंडिया में यूट्यूब सबसे वन ऑफ द फर्स्ट थिंग्स आई रियलाइज वेरी अर्ली ऑन इज दैट people think that it's a zero sum game, there's one winner or something like that.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
People don't. Yeah. ये मैं quote ये जे कोल का quote है. They act like two legends cannot coexist. ये मैंने इतने लोगों को बोला है ना.
Right.
इतने
And
लोगों
YouTube
को
में you
बोला है.
can do really well and survive while the other person is also doing really well. In fact, your growth can multiply if you guys work together also sometimes. That
Yeah,
really does
yeah.
happen. I mean, Ashish Chanchalani in the Ashish Chanchalani latest video में he had a reference about Bhuvan Bam. Where Rajkumar Rao in jokingly said at the end कि मैं तो बोल रहा था भुवन के पास चले जाते हैं, इसके पास क्यों आए प्रमोशन कराने.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Yeah.
You see,
Yeah.
that context is there, which
So-
people will understand.
Yeah, definitely it's there. Last podcast में we discussed how about there is only one, there is always a market gap, and that's who you are. Ashish Chanchalani is Ashish Chanchalani, Bhuvan Bam is Bhuvan Bam, and that's why they're top. There's always a market gap.
Right.
So that's very क्या कहते हैं, perfect thing that you just said कि there can definitely be a lot more. It's not a zero sum game. Also, but no, we have deviated enough from our topic. Main topic था कि तुझे क्या लगता है, नहीं तुझे क्या नहीं लगता है, कि क्या लगता है कि can we actually see a YouTuber go mainstream in Bollywood as a celebrity? देख, मैंने बहुत लड़कों को देखा है जो बैकग्राउंड में वर्क करते थे. ठीक है, तो मैं एडिटिंग में था, then I went from editing into Bollywood as an editor. समझ रहा है? And now I'm getting big gigs. साउंड डिज़ाइन यहाँ से स्टार्ट किया, बॉलीवुड में घुस गया. 1 from 2 to नेटफ्लिक्स में घुसा, फिर नेटफ्लिक्स से ऐसे, फिर ऐसे. आई नो पर्सनल एडिटर्स दैट हैव वर्कड फॉर नेटफ्लिक्स, राइट? एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट यूट्यूब सीरीज नेटफ्लिक्स, एक्चुअल नेटफ्लिक्स प्रॉपर जो वो लोग अपने ऐप पे डालते हैं, अपने प्लेटफॉर्म पे डालते हैं.
हाँ.
ठीक है, पर मैंने अभी तक एक भी एक्टर नहीं देखा जो हैज़ गॉन फ्रॉम दिस टू दैट.
To Netflix.
Yeah, as a YouTuber, I'm making skits to maybe go to Netflix, to maybe go to actual movie that is going to be released in theaters.
Why don't we bring this up in like 6 months and see what happens? Because now COVID is gonna not exactly go away, but like people are going out more. Rajkumar Rao की जो movie है Ruhi, it's releasing in the cinemas. It's a big deal. It's releasing in cinemas now. It's not in Prime Video or any of the OTT platforms.
Yeah. Yeah.
So I want to see क्या होगा. Personally, I would see. We all know that what it has been said about YouTubers is कि तुम्हारी YouTube life is not something which is gonna live on for your entire lifetime. And and I'm not saying this because I have a lot of I have a soft spot for YouTube. I'm saying this because I honestly feel कि there is. Have you heard of any celebrity or any entity on the internet who has been on the internet through and through, except maybe PewDiePie or KSI? Would you watch KSI when he's 45? You tell me. I would watch PewDiePie when he's 45. Why not? Because I would then be invested in 25 years of his time. Then if I have, like for example, if I have kids and I can tell this is the guy I watch and I have been watching him since your age.
Yeah.
He's been around since that time. Or the same reason we watch celebrity. Right. Anokas, it's the same reason, and I really don't believe that the lifetime of a YouTuber is 5 to 6 years. I can't believe that. I'll tell you why.
Yeah.
Simply because
yeah,
Amitabh Bachchan has been around. Amitabh Bachchan is Amitabh Bachchan, yes. But he's been around for so long. He has been around for so long.
And I don't like that analogy of like कि वो जो टॉप वालों को हो वो वालों को मत पकड़ो. क्यों नहीं पकड़ूं? मैं तो उनको ही पकड़ूंगा. उन्होंने कैसे किया मैं देखूंगा, कुछ तो किया होगा उन्होंने. People say like जो टॉप 5 उनको नहीं पकड़ते, नीचे वालों को पकड़ने का है. Vedant says that a lot. I'm like no, I don't think I agree anymore.
So,
but yeah, I agree with you. I think it's bound to happen. It's bound to happen one way or another.
somebody will figure it out. Somebody कोई एक होगा जो चंट इनफ होगा कि मैं फिगर आउट करूंगा कैसे करना है और मैं करके दिखाऊंगा. ठीक है.
हाँ.
And means one person does. When one person does it, इंडिया में तो ऐसा ही होता है ना कि एक पर्सन ने कर दिया, people will take that example and वो भी लग जाएंगे and then continue on.
Yeah. There's envelope push हो रहा है ना अभी. तू देख ना, हर्ष बेनीवाल became that first dude. Ashish Chanchalani was a major part of promoting Suryavanshi that is also releasing in theaters.
Yes, it was. I think Ashish Chanchalani was the one who was anchoring the entire time during their media promotions. The entire time, right?
And he also, वो तो अपना मार्वल में भी काफी था आशीष.
Dude, yes, that discussion. Dude, you see, there are mostly YouTubers who go and like talked about when these international movies turn up. Promotions में कौन लोग आके interview करते हैं? It's YouTubers who do it. Why is that? Why don't they hire somebody from the traditional media to go ahead and have that interview?
It's going to happen. It's bound to happen. I cannot believe that there is. देख स्किल बात अलग है, ठीक है. स्किल मेरे को लगता है कि हाँ चल ठीक है, स्किल लेवल कैन बी क्वाइट डिफरेंट बिकॉज ऑफ द सेपरेट इंडस्ट्रीज, ठीक है. बिकॉज यहाँ पे एवरी यूट्यूबर हैज़ देयर ओन क्रिएटिव प्रोसेस दैट दे वर्क थ्रू दैट इज कीन टू देम. Whereas Bollywood, you have director that you have to blend in with, there are co-stars and everything that you have to, you know. यहाँ पे जैसे मैं अपनी स्क्रिप्ट लिख रहा हूँ, मैंने पॉइंट्स लिख लिए, सारे डायलॉग यहाँ पे हैं, जैसे हर्ष बेनीवाल करता है. आई नो ही डज दैट, राइट, और ही यूज टू. बट दैट्स नॉट इन द क्या कहते हैं ट्रेडिशनल बॉलीवुड डायरेक्टिंग मूवी टाइप शिट, राइट. तुम्हारे पास पहन से स्पॉट बॉय रहेगा, तुम्हारे पास इधर स्क्रिप्ट रहेगी, तुम्हारी लाइंस रटना है, ट्रेलर में घुसे, ट्रेलर के बाहर आया, अपना शॉट दिए, देयर इज अ डायरेक्टर पीछे से कमेंट कर रहा है व्हाइल ही इज कॉमेंट्री, ये करो वो करो और इमोशन लाओ और इमोशन. यू हैव टू स्टिल बी इन दैट कैरेक्टर व्हाइल लिसनिंग एंड अप्लाइंग ऑल ऑफ दोज क्या बोलते हैं उसको, व्हाट्स द वर्ड, तुमको instructions. While you're listening, you listen to all those instructions and you apply it while doing it, right? So yes, it's different, but it is bound to happen. Skill सीखी जा सकती है, तो वो तो होगा ही. What is that one thing that is standing between YouTubers becoming actors is time. ये mass acceptance होने दे एक बार, क्योंकि वी हैव सीन ना सीरियल्स को लेने के लिए समय था, सीरियल्स को एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए समय था, एंड देन इट बिकेम एक्सेप्टेड एंड देन केम दिस वन फकिंग व्हाट्स हिज नेम,
सुशांत सिंह राजपूत. देख मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि द pedestal in which Bollywood has kept itself, okay, is gonna dissolve. It's not gonna dissolve. It's gonna have less crowd in it, and the mass is gonna go this side. And if the mass goes to this side, to the digital side of things, okay, इनकी वैल्यू, यूट्यूबर्स की वैल्यू, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स की वैल्यू बढ़ जाएगी. एंड सिंस बढ़ जाएगी, देयर विल बी, यहाँ पे हैं सेलिब्रिटीज, यहाँ पे हैं यूट्यूबर्स. ओवर टाइम दिस इज व्हाट हैपेंस, okay, and we do not know whether this will happen or not, okay, but this is what eventually is going to happen, ठीक है. and then what's going to happen is, I feel, and it might sound kind of terrifying if somebody from Bollywood is watching, okay, there will be a radical amalgamation कि इतना ज़्यादा हो जाएगा कि everybody is gonna try and create their own brand by, जो आलिया भट्ट ने, वरुण धवन ने अपने चैनल खोल रखे हैं ना, I feel in the future they're gonna start making their more videos over there. What does Will Smith do, man? Will Smith is like one of the most powerful people in Hollywood. He has no reason to want to document his life through and through. He does that. Why not? I mean, Okas, tu khud soch. Celebrities, if they take this time, what can they do to stop this from moving forward fast? The only way for them to do that is mix together. Have a mix together. Some of them, they have that traction, they have that influence. Celebrities do that, right? Start their own channels and just start posting, and because they have the money and the manpower to be able to have that kind of a production. Then it will become difficult for some YouTubers, for many small creators to push up, okay, but these people will take over. But most of them won't do it because they have that nostalgia. I think I remember this one interview where Ranbir Kapoor said, do people watch Netflix? Do people watch OTT platforms? Yeah. And I was like,
online pe chalta. I'm like, it was AIB's podcast with Ranbir.
Yeah, I think that is what it was. And I was like, okay, this guy really is living in some sort of a bubble. If he doesn't know this, what does he mean by?
They don't know. Yeah.
I think they are hooked to the stardom. Some of them, like the industry in general is hooked to the idea of, oh, this is the stardom. This is what matters. This is what it is. Yeah. Which is fine. I'm sure there are not YouTubers who have that kind of a stardom, like probably Bhuvan Bam doesn't have that kind of a stardom as Shah Rukh Khan does, but Bhuvan Bam does have something. Bhuvan Bam chhod. Look at the meetups of Simon. The amount of people who came to meet him, and he hasn't even reached 1 million. Okay, कुछ तो.
And on top of that, he has a very niche audience. Like वो
Yes.
million में भी बहुत कम लोग हैं जो उससे हैं, समझ रहे हैं, because of his content.
Right. तो ये देखना कि क्या बोलते हैं उसको. It's a different kind of an influence,
Yeah.
and that influence is not about just entertainment, because different YouTubers
Yeah.
provide different things for you in life. Different influencers provide different things for you in life.
Yep.
It's like you have some sort of a mentor online
Yeah.
or some sort of guide
Yeah.
online.
Yeah.
That's what I think. I think कि instead of YouTubers becoming actors,
Yeah.
actors are gonna come towards this side, because
Yeah. It's gonna be both. It's gonna be yeah. What are these? Bollywood and what is YouTubing? They're both tools, man. These are industry. We are the people who use the industry. We are the people who make the industry. If I am a Bollywood actor, what is going to stop me to do this? And if I'm why can't I just be both? Why can't I do movies and make vlogs? You know what I mean?
right.
There's definitely going to be, because this is going to be a huge market that people are going to miss. It's much like when you talked about that stardom thingy, right? It's much like TikTok versus YouTube shit. Oh, ये तो TikTok बनाता है, you know. But now people are realizing, oh, Reels में भी है that I can use and utilize and understand. Okay, this is a huge market that I'm missing. Starts making Reel. You know what I mean?
Right.
And when you talked about that, obviously they have the production and everything. Yes, they do. ठीक है, पर तू अभी ये रील वाला एग्जांपल ले ले, मैं इससे फिल्म करूं या मैं इससे फिल्म करूं, फर्क क्या पड़ने वाला है?
कुछ फर्क
नहीं पड़ने वाला.
नहीं पड़ने वाला.
It's all about the creative idea when the people start making.
Right.
And that's what's going to matter. And when they start doing innovation, that's only gonna help us.
And
Because-
people have switched devices also. Even though you and me love the big screen and the cinema because it's a different experience altogether, when VR comes in, and mobile already is here. Everybody is watching everything on the mobile, man. Nobody's watching things on their desktop because they want to move around when they want that access easier.
Yeah.
And-
मेरा एक फ्रेंड है whose family is not well to do. ठीक है, उनके पास वो ऐसा बॉक्स वाला टीवी था, 1x1 वाला इशू रहता है ना, छोड़ दिया उन्होंने उसको, and now everybody is on to phone. And this is not a family that is extremely well or advanced or educated in that sense. बहुत नॉर्मल पीपल है, ऑलमोस्ट क्या कहते हैं, लाइक प्रॉब्ली मेकिंग 20-30,000 rupees a month, the whole family income. Not huge, but look at that. So this is going to happen. This is not like there's no money limit to it.
Ocus VR की टेक्नोलॉजी हमने वरुण से बात की थी has improved so much in the last 5 years. Imagine तू अब तो imagine कर, it is become the device becomes smaller and smaller. तू एयरपोर्ट पे वेट कर रहा है या फिर तू स्टेशन में बैठा हुआ है, just पहन के बैठा हुआ है, and you are getting the
This is gonna become it.
yes, and you're
This is gonna become it.
तूने Google Lens नहीं, Google
the
Cardboard.
thingy.
You just throw this in, right?
Yeah.
I have seen it. Okay. Imagine तू एक एयरपोर्ट पे बैठा हुआ है, एक ट्रेन स्टेशन में बैठा हुआ है, पार्क में बैठा हुआ है, कहीं बैठा हुआ है, एंड ओकस यू हैव एक्सेस टू अ लार्ज सिनेमा स्क्रीन, द इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ अ लार्ज सिनेमा स्क्रीन. Do you think people are gonna watch their movies like this?
No, they're not gonna fucking watch.
They're gonna watch it like this.
People, I find it so hilarious when people are like, this is our future, this. No, motherfucker, this is not our future. This is our future, this. It's gonna be like that.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But yeah, that
and
is
oh my god, it's insane how cool it's going to be. NFT is doing it right now.
Exactly. Let's talk about NFTs now. Non-fungible tokens. In fact, I have done a little bit of a read up on it. Why don't you go ahead and explain a bit about what you know about NFTs, and I'll add to it.
All right, ठीक है. So NFT in general, okay. I'm talking about this on a global scale.
Right.
Okay. NFT, non-fungible tokens. Left, right, center, ये तुम लोग ने term सुना होगा. क्या चल रहा है? If you follow me on Twitter or if you follow me on Instagram, you must have heard about it. Okay.
Right.
I've been talking about it since like last 2-3 weeks non-stop.
Right.
And so has Gary Vaynerchuk. If you follow him, he has been talking about it for so long. All right.
That NFTs
understand
are the
this.
future, and there is no reason for making hype about it. It is gonna happen,
yeah, it's going to happen.
Right.
You can try and stop it, it's not gonna stop, right?
Right.
Let's go back a bit, ठीक है, in before the pre-internet era, ठीक है, and then talk about art then. The art then was about, oh my god, he has that art piece, the physicality of it.
Right.
Have you seen Mona Lisa? Wow, it's insane. You have the Mona Lisa. For them to visit that art, to see that art, they have to come all the way here.
Right.
Then internet came in, and the images, the JPEG, the PNGs, they destroyed that, the
Right.
physicality aspect of it. Then only then was authenticity mattered.
हाँ.
ठीक है, तूने इमेज में देखी है, तूने असलियत में देखी है क्या कभी? तूने असलियत में देखी है क्या कभी? That became a thing. ठीक है, and then it became privatized and everything and blah 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 blah. ठीक है, that's when blockchain and NFT enters, and it's like the Faisal Khan, and वो सबका बदला लिया बैठ के. ठीक है, क्योंकि now there is, all right, yes, there is JPEG and you can definitely whatever. Let me explain. ठीक है, मोना लिसा, ठीक है, सब लोग बोल रहे हैं हाँ तो मोना लिसा को क्या प्रॉब्लम है? इट्स नॉट अबाउट लाइक आई कैन डेफिनेटली टेक अ पिक ऑफ मोना लिसा एंड नाउ आई हैव मोना लिसा, राइट? बट सो why would I pay for it? Why would I pay for an image on a computer? Because that's what NFTs are. NFTs is मैंने पेंटिंग बनाई अपनी, ठीक है, 2D 3D जो भी है, उसको मैंने मिंट कर दिया एंड मैंने प्लेटफॉर्म पे रख दिया. ठीक है, एक प्लेटफॉर्म आते हैं, निफ्टी रेयर्स, सुपर रेयर्स, निफ्टी गेटवेज, ओपन सीज, ये सब प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं जो तुम इंटरनेट पे एक्सेस कर सकते हो. वहाँ पे तुमने मिंट किया, तुम्हें थोड़ा पैसे देने पड़ेंगे, गैस फीस बोलते हैं उसको. तुमने मिंट किया एंड नाउ इट्स अप फॉर द ऑक्शन. ठीक है, तो ठीक है, तो अब भाई लेकिन मैं जब जा रहा हूँ, मैं देख रहा हूँ, मैं स्क्रॉल कर रहा हूँ, यार यहाँ पे भी फोटो है, यहाँ पे भी फोटो है, ये फोटो पे क्यों कोई पैसे खर्च कर रहा है? ये लोग राइट क्लिक, कॉपी इमेज, पेस्ट, मेरे पास भी आ गई. अब क्या? ठीक है,
स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया,
हाँ स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया, ये
पिक्सेल्स
स्क्रीनशॉट ले लिया,
एग्जैक्टली सारे के सारे सेम पिक्सेल्स है ना, तो मैंने सारे पिक्सेल्स पकड़ लिए. हाँ, गो
तो पैसे कहाँ से, क्यों लोग इतने थाउजेंड्स ऑफ डॉलर, मिलियंस ऑफ डॉलर क्यों खर्चा हो रहा है? व्हाट इट इज, एंड आई विल गिव अगेन मोना लिसा का एग्जांपल दूंगा. ठीक है, तूने भी, मैंने भी, सबने मोना लिसा की फोटो देखी है, बट इट्स ओनली वन म्यूजियम दैट ओन्स मोना लिसा. ठीक है, that exact, and लोग millions of people come to visit it just to see it. Yes. Not use that exact method and just digitalize it. Oh sure, you can screenshot it, sure, but then it's secured by blockchain. ठीक है, और वो उसके साथ एक एक्चुअल नंबर आता है, एक्चुअल बारकोड आता है that tells you that it's authentic. And sure, you can be like, भाई I still don't understand.
मैं तुझे ठीक है, I can explain it a little bit.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, any digital image is a file, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a file, and a file can be broken down into bits. It's numbers. It's a sequence of numbers, right? 0 1 1 0. It's a sequence of numbers. Okay.
Yeah.
You can add a digital signature to a particular file. I'm not talking in the terms of blockchain, but you can add a digital signature to a particular file. Okay.
Yeah.
Blockchain, I think, adds it to the history as well. That's an extra thing it does. Okay.
Yeah.
So that the ownership factor comes in. Yeah. This person actually is the rightful owner. Okay.
Yeah.
But Ocus, if I have a file and you add a digital signature of some sense, in the sense कि files है ना, पूरी stream of bits है, and there are, I will tell you this, एक file में you can add a secret message. You know how you can do that? There are certain slots, certain boxes. मैं सिंपल एक्सप्लेन करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. इमेजिन कर कि पूरा पिक्सेल्स है, ठीक है, एवरी सिंगल पिक्सल हैज सम वैल्यू, इज एसोसिएटेड विद सम बाइट वैल्यू. ठीक है, पूरे सारे पिक्सल से भरोगे, पूरा स्ट्रीम भर गया तेरा, बट देयर आर सम स्पेयर बॉक्सेस लेफ्ट. ओके, and you decide what you fill in those spare boxes, some unique thing which you only know, nobody else knows, and that cannot be found out by anybody else. कोई और ढूंढ नहीं सकता. It's encrypted into that file. The image doesn't change. The people will be thinking कि अरे हमने कुछ extra slots में कुछ डाल दिया information, तो image change नहीं हो जाएगी. नहीं, the image will not change, because when the image is read, it only read from the rest. It doesn't read those spare boxes ever. So in spare boxes में क्या होगा? तेरा वो extra piece of information.
Yeah.
to make that digital file your own. Okay?
Yeah.
And the only way to find the true ownership of that particular file is, since this is encrypted, okay, the key to decrypt it is only with the owner and nobody else. You get it?
Yeah.
It's like a lock.
yeah.
It's like a lock essentially.
Yeah.
And you are the
That was
only person
definite.
who has the key.
Yeah.
So that is how you-
definitely a better explanation.
So that is how you
Brian-
that is how you maintain ownership of that particular file.
So talking about NFTs, recently a guy known as Beeple,
Beeple
he
Crap.
did a sale. Yeah, Beeple Crap. I've been following him since 2017. Big fan of Beeple, love his work.
Right.
वो बंदे ने पहला सेल किया, इसने आया सेल किया, and that तुरंत became the biggest sale in the NFT space, and
Right.
that was of 7777, 6 times 7.
Right.
ठीक है. So $700,000 की उसने सेल की, and that was the biggest NFT sale ever. ये Beeple था.
हाँ.
ठीक है. भोसड़ी वाला वापस करता है, and अब तुम guess करो कितना प्राइस. Fucking $69.3 million. Jesus fucking Christ, $69.3 million on NFT. He became the third richest artist in history. That's insane.
Also to mention clearly that, guys, if you think that Beeple is some random artist who became a big thing on NFT, no. He's been working. Why don't you give them a bit of background of who he is?
Beeple is a 3D artist who has worked with Apple, Nike, Netflix, all of these. These are cool. This is brand names. That dude has been doing daily CGI 3D work for the last 13 years.
13 years
Daily.
daily. That is
13 years daily. That's over like 5,000 pieces.
4,000 days. 4,000 days, I think. Is my math wrong?
I think because he released a 5,000 wala piece na that sold for $69.3
Oh, I think
million.
it's $5,000.
Yeah. So, and you guys need to understand that all of these assets that he made on the daily, he kept on giving them away for free. The amount of work he has done for the art community, it's insane. And like, if you were into CGI, if you were into 3D design and you did not know Beeple, you were doing something wrong. That's how big of a name he is in the art industry. That's the amount of crazy shit he has done for the art industry. So he's no rando that came in and killed the fucking game. But oh boy, did he murder it. That was insane. And I'm only looking for, I want to talk to you about this future thingy, right? And we will get into it very deep with Varun. But think about this, okay? Everybody's still like all about like, I still don't understand NFT, still just an image and blah, blah. Even with everything you've explained, I still don't get it. It's all about the hype. I feel like it's the hype. And
Okay.
to your credit, it is the hype. Okay? Right now, a lot of people are in it because they can flip it and they can make more money. It's just like the क्या कहते हैं जो Jordan के shoes रहते हैं ना.
Exactly.
Very similar example.
And go ahead. What do you want to discuss on?
But आने वाले 5 सालों में ये जो गांड मारने वाले हैं ना NFT, there's this guy called there's a Mankind करके बंदा है who is just an art collector, but he did a thing called, basically what he did is, in this video there is certain words that I've used. ठीक है? You find these terms, like एक line में ये word ढूंढ लो, ये sentence fill कर लो, you will be able to access an account. उस account में एक ऐसी image है जो तुम्हें कुछ तो करना है. There is more क्या कहते हैं encryption something, like तुम्हें और ढूंढना है. Once you found that key, that number, that particular number, you can access my this particular account that has $100,000 painting in it, $100,000 NFT in it. Go find karo. And he put it out there and people did, and somebody cracked the code and they got it.
Right.
Okay. I'm not exactly sure if the 100,000 number is correct, but there is something. So I thought of it and I was like, holy shit, it's going to get only bigger from this.
Yes.
Imagine, Raf,
हाँ.
ठीक है? Imagine, I don't know if you've watched Hunter x Hunter, but if people who have out there who have watched Hunter x Hunter, you know exactly where I'm going. Imagine this. There's a treasure hunt that's going on. Okay? And for you to enter that treasure hunt, you need X amount of certain NFTs. Okay? There is a big painting that has been divided into 10 NFTs. And there are 10 of those NFTs. So in total, there are 100 cards out there. Okay? And now, every time you've collected one card, लाइक प्रॉपर वो 10 पीसेस को तुमने पजल को मिला लिया, यू कैन एंटर दिस ट्रेजर हंट, राइट, एंड यू कैन ईदर गो फाइंड इट, ठीक है, you can go find it or you can bid on it. So I am playing this game, I somehow found this card, one card out of 10, okay, I can put it on sale, I can make money, and there are people who are bidding on it, and now they're making, and then fucking I only need this, I have 9, I just need this one more card, and there is only one, and then people are bidding on it, and now finally I have all 10 cards, and now I can enter this treasure hunt,
Right.
and then at the end of the treasure hunt there is something. This is, and I'm just talking about this in the gaming scenario. Like, imagine how crazy it's going to get in terms of like, so now people are giving like, क्या कहते हैं, 3D वगैरह कर रहे हैं. Imagine like, मैं गेमर हूँ, मैं निंजा हूँ, ठीक है, एंड मैं निंजा हूँ, एंड मेरा कोई एक पीछे लेबल लगा है, ठीक है, एक लेबल है मेरे साथ, कंपनी है जो बीपल को बोलती है, बीपल एक काम कर, हमारे लिए एक कस्टम फोर्टनाइट स्किन बना, ठीक है, कस्टम फोर्टनाइट स्किन बना, उसके बीच में हमारा नाम चाहिए, ठीक है, एंड हम निंजा को पहनाएंगे ये. दैट्स हाउ क्या कहते हैं, दीज जर्सीज वर्क इन द मेन फुटबॉल गेम, राइट. दीज जर्सीज पे स्पॉन्सर्स का नाम रहता है. नाउ यू कैन इमेजिन लाइक हाउ मच मनी आर गोइंग टू 3D आर्टिस्ट आर गोइंग टू मेक, एंड यू थिंक फोर्टनाइट इज नॉट गोइंग टू इंक्लूड NFTs? Of course they're $7 billion, $17 billion game.
And
of course they're going to do it.
Of course they're gonna, and most of Fortnite's profits are on microtransactions, right? Why not?
Exactly.
Why would they not do that?
Of course.
Ab sun, it's very I love this discussion. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit to it. Recently I had this discussion with one of my friends, and he is a shoe collector. He basically flips shoes, and he does all of it online. Okay, all of it online.
Yeah.
He has never had a shoe in his room, but he just flips them. How does he do that? In the US, you are allowed to have storage spaces. So he basically buys a shoe, keeps it in that, gets it stored in that storage space, and then sells it off again. Okay.
Yeah.
That's doable in a country like US. But he's not in the US. He's here in Hyderabad. Okay.
Yeah.
We were having this discussion that imagine, Ocus,
Yeah.
somebody selling Barack Obama's first tweet.
It's going to happen.
Somebody selling a particular comment by this old YouTuber who doesn't exist anymore. Imagine PewDiePie's last comment or PewDiePie's last video. Okay, imagine that as an NFT.
Yeah. Guys, PewDiePie comes, he's like, this is my last video. I've actually minted it and it's up for sale for $1. And every money that is going to be made from this flipping is going to go into charity or whatever. Like for the first 24 hours or whatever. Like I put it off for $100,000 and $100,000 is going to go to charity. Now somebody pays for $100,000 and they're going to start flipping it because it's PewDiePie's last video and he did a charity on top of it. There's goodwill. Ab goodwill aa gayi uske saath.
Right.
It's going to be insane. It's going to be insane, bro.
Imagine
like
that.
Oh my god. And I can't wait for India to come into this game.
Speaking of India, what if people don't believe that, if people think that acha this sounds a lot like collectors, it is like old school collectors hote the na, they used to collect antique pieces, whatever. Why would we want to be a part of that? We never collected antique pieces. Here I'm here to tell you. You guys remember something called Tazos and Jenga cards which we used to have?
Yeah.
Do you remember Pokemon cards we used to have? And
cricket ke cards we used to have.
We used to have cricket cards, WWE cards we used to have. By the way, if you still have those cards, please contact us. Please send up some of them. We want to, don't hold on to them. Just send it to us. Then we'll show you what we do with it. Okay. Okay. You remember Batman or G.I. Joe के fun school के toys आते थे? Okay. I'm not sure तुझे इतना याद होगा because you're 6 years younger than me. But G.I. Joe के toys आते थे 72 rupees के. Batman के आते थे 200 rupees के. ठीक है?
Yeah.
You won't find the same Batman toys anymore. बहुत कम पाएंगे मिलेंगे तुझे. Their price will be around like 500-600 rupees. Those 72 rupees के G.I. Joe Ocus, I still have checked it so many times. Every other month I check it. Guess the price online. 72 rupees in 2005, 6, 7. 13 years हुए. Guess कर price. It's 3,500. 3,500. 72 rupees से 3,500 plus. वही G.I. Joe का packet. That is, if you want me to do the math, it is close to a 2,000% increase. 2,000% increase, Ocus. 20x price increase.
And this is just a random toy that was super cheap to begin with.
And if you think why would NFTs be valuable, think of it this way. When I told you about this, Hocus, when I was mentioning G.I. Joe or Batman for that matter, some kid would relate to it and कि हाँ मेरे पास भी तो थे, और भी आते थे. They used to have Pokemon के figurines. Okay, they used to have Pokemon cards. They used to have Digimon cards. Those devices, all those things which are part of our nostalgia. If I mention them right now, one of the videos which did really well, हमारे nostalgia वाले videos, the amount of comments which you see there, people are interested in that because that thing holds value to them. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm sure some of them would go back and check what the prices are because they want to get back some of it.
Yeah.
And that if that
it's
is
also about just supporting the culture, na?
Right.
Like
right.
Beyonce, Jay-Z, these people buy a lot of art from African American or just pure African artists.
Yeah, don't you think it is if you walked into my house and if I had an entire glass shelf full of ये देख यार मेरे पास ये सामान है, and you will be like भाई ये तो 12 साल 15 साल पुराना है. It's such a cool thing to do, right? Having that kind of a collection.
Yeah.
Now imagine
and
the
if
same.
I'm rich, of course I can do it.
Exactly, and imagine the same thing, doing the same thing. You जैसे Gary Vaynerchuk ने बताया ना कि you go to somebody's open wallet and check the kind of NFTs he has.
Yeah.
Like wow, dude, you have this. Wow, man.
Like imagine Rav. That's what I was thinking, right? This पीछे empty wall I have like 3 big art pieces, maybe by people. ठीक है, 3 big art pieces. And
like so cool.
And I tell them this is $1 million, this is $5 million, this is $10 million, right? And then you go, okay, I can just steal it. You can't. That's the cool thing. I actually own it, but the real money, the real piece is in here, protected by blockchain. Go ahead, try and steal it. Try it, baby. You can't. The security is insane.
Right.
So like I can still show it off not only here, even in the digital world, but also in real life. You know what I mean? You can come in my house and I can I own this.
And those of you
so
who think that okay, तो ठीक है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, decrypt ही तो करना है फाइल, ठीक है. Somehow some hacker managed to decrypt the file and made an exact copy of the same file. ठीक है. But where is your signature in it? As in उसके पास तुम्हारी फाइल है. But blockchain doesn't do that. Blockchain essentially what it does is it saves the entire history of the transaction. First of all, it is it is going to be extremely difficult for you to make a change in the history because the history is decentralized. It is completely decentralized. To be able to change the history, you need to have access to more power than 50% of the entire network. And by the way, the network is growing, and having more power than 50% of the network, somebody somewhere is gonna notice that you have that power. Okay, and you are gonna get into very very deep trouble. Okay, first of all, agar tum itne and if you have that kind of money and infrastructure to be able to basically try and hack a blockchain, I'm pretty sure that you have to really be a psychopath to do it, to be able to hack it. Because otherwise it's good for you. Yeah. You can take advantage of that kind of a security.
Yeah.
Right? So it's that.
और ये तो अभी हम लोग अभी की बात कर रहे हैं. तू सोच रहा आने वाले कुछ समय में, जैसे हम लोग वरुण के साथ बात कर रहे हैं, जब VR is going to become a thing and you start entering somebody's VR house and they have all these NFTs laid on their walls. Fucking crazy. The first Beeple painting that was sold for NFT ever. अभी तो $700,000 की वर्थ थी उस पर. तू सोच आने वाले 5-10 साल में जब दिस VR shit becomes reality, how crazy it's going to get.
And people, if people think that कि ये इंडिया में तो नहीं चलेगा, इंडिया में तो क्रिप्टो इतना मुश्किल से चल रहा है. Okay.
I know artists.
Okay, imagine this. ठीक है, अगर तुम्हें डिजिटल आर्ट पे इतना ये डाउट हो रहा है, तुम्हें we have seen time and again Carrie Minati की fan following, right? What if Carrie Minati decided to do an auction of his play button, his first play button, silver play button? What do you think the value of that play button is going to be? Yeah. Carrie Minati makes a lot in donations on his streams, in super chats. Yeah. What do you think the value is going to be?
Why it's going to go crazy, and then again it's going to flip. अगर अभी ठीक है, कोई अगर तू सपोज किसी ने 1 लाख रुपए दिया, एंड ये मैं कम नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, ये 1 लाख रुपए मतलब किसी ने दे दिया, ये मैं कम बोल रहा हूँ, सॉरी, दिस इज कम. किसी ने 1 लाख रुपए दे दिया फॉर हिज फर्स्ट एवर प्ले बटन टू हैव इट, राइट? ये फ्यूचर में बहुत बढ़ेगा ये. Like this is Gary Minati, this one dude who was super young at 25 million at this amount of age. This is his first play button ever, you know. So but it's also like a gamble kind of thing because you're investing in that particular person's career.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Right.
But like talking about like India mein nahi chalega. I know artists. I know a fucking kid, 17-year-old, sold his shit for like $1,000. 17-year-old kid, random dude, not even that big, $1,000, 70,000 rupees INR, because on NFT, and this is just start, baby. This is just a start. I know people. There's a person, you know, Scam 1992, right?
Right.
उसका जो वो है पूरा 3D का स्टार्ट इंट्रो है या आउट्रो पता नहीं मुझे, पर जहाँ पे वो पूरा CGI बनाया है, उस बंदे से मेरी बात हो रही थी. ही इज गेटिंग इनटू NFT. And when he imagine like selling that art piece on NFT, minting that shit, imagine how much money. And people think India में कौन है ऐसे artist? Bro, you don't have any idea the fucking CGI artists we have. This guy I was just talking about, this Scam 1992 dude, he got nominated for Emmy for his outro or ये intro, the CGI work. He was going to get, got nominated for Emmy. Fucking Emmy, that's insane. Emmy has some big fucking name that I was like, oh my god, this. I think Emmy tha, but think about that shit.
But definitely, man, like NFT, we should discuss in a lot more detail with the upcoming episode with Varun.
Yeah.
But I think this has been great for the podcast. We had a very, very detailed discussion.
Yeah. I think there was another dude called Ajit who sold his shit for 5 ETH. How much? That's $5,000, right?
I think
5 plus $1,000.
More than that.
Yeah, around $6,000. 5 ETH. Like, and these are Indian people, man. तो सोच रहा है. This is going to destroy that geographical boundaries. All of that shit is going to get destroyed. I know people who like to देखना there are Chinese businessmen who buy Indian paintings. And the biggest problem that they have is like there is no Indian painting. There are painters by Indian, but where is the Indian painting? Where is the culture? Show me the fucking culture. That's going to be a big thing as well. The culture. And I'm so excited for it. I'm here for it.